Now that our e-commerce website is fully designed, it's time to connect the most important features, the payment gateway. Because without a proper payment systems, your customers cannot complete their purchases. In this step, I will show you how to add and configure multiple secure payment gateways in WooCommerce, so your store can accept payments smoothly from customers worldwide. In this section, we will configure cash on delivery, Razorpay payment gateway, best for India like UPI, credit cards, wallets, and for international payments, PayPal and Stripe. By the end of this step, your website will be fully ready to accept real payments. First, let's go to our website dashboard and click on this WooCommerce option. Go to settings. Select this settings option, and here in the settings section, first in the general section, you need to add all these details like your address, city, all these details. Okay, you don't need to forget these details. Okay, and let's go to this payment section. Let me select this payments option. Now here, first let's take offline payments, cash on delivery. Okay, let me select this take offline payments. Let me open this option, and here you can see cash on delivery option. You can also enable like direct bank transfer and check payments also, but in this we will enable only cash on delivery. Let me click on this enable option, cash on delivery. Click on this manage option. You need to enable these two options, like I accept enable cash on delivery payments, accept virtual orders. Click on this save changes. After making the changes, now let's go back. Here you can see cash on delivery has been enabled. So after enabling the cash on delivery, let's visit the website from the front end. Let me delete all products from the website. Now let's make one payment like cash on delivery payment. Let's go to the shop page, and here I want to purchase this product. Okay, let me select this add to cart, this AirPods. Let me click on this view cart. If you have any coupon code, you can add coupon code like sale 20. Click on apply coupon. So here you can see we got like 50 rupees discount, and you can change the address as per your requirement. If you want to change any address, you can change here. Okay, update. After adding the coupon code, click on this proceed to checkout option, and here you need to add your first name, last name, username, country, street address, town, city, state, pin code, phone number, pin code, phone number. You can add your email address. Okay, here you can check your product details, like we are ordering like blue boat AirPods. This is a coupon code we have added, and this is a flat rate. And let me select this cash on delivery, and let me accept the terms and conditions. And you need to click on this place order option. Let me click on this place order. After placing the order, here you can see thank you, your order has been received. This option will be visible. Let me scroll down. Here you can see check the order details. Okay, your discount and your billing address and the shipping address. Whenever a customer orders a product, now let's go to backend. Go to this WooCommerce section. Under WooCommerce, you can select this order section. Let me select this orders option, and here you can see 37 seconds ago we received an order. Let me, so here from here we can manage the orders. So okay, this is cash on delivery. Okay, whenever someone orders a product from your website, so here you can see like you will receive email like this, like you received a new order, and this is the order details and their shipping and billing address also. And here you can see their shipping and billing address. This the business owner will receive an email to his email ID. Okay, and here the customer receive this email like thanks for your order, and it will show like this, hi demo, we received your order and now the order is being processed, and this is the order summary, and this is a billing address. Okay, the customer will get email like this. Okay, to learn in-depth tutorials about e-commerce website designing, first you can visit my channel Balasar Web Developer, and if you visit my website, here you can see I have created 6+ servers free e-commerce website designing course 2026, where in this course you will learn complete e-commerce website designing course, like how to create simple product, variable product, group product, affiliate product, virtual product, how to integrate payment gateway, shipping methods and all. Okay, so visit my channel and watch this video. I will put this link in the last of this video thumbnail, and also I have kept this link below this video description. Please do check and watch this entire 6 hours plus video to become professional in e-commerce website designing. And now let me add PayPal payment gateway. So in order to add PayPal payment gateway, we need to install a plugin called PayPal Payments. Okay, now let's go to this plugins option, go to dashboard, select this plugins option, and here click on add plugin, and in the search bar type PayPal, and here you can see this is a plugin we need to install. So WooCommerce PayPal Payments, click on install now. In order to accept the international payment gateways, we need to have PayPal Payments. Okay, click on this activate option. After activating this plugin, here you will get this message. You can click on this on the account setup page, or else you can go to WooCommerce option, settings option, select this payments option. Here you can see this PayPal. This option will be visible like this in the payment section. You need to select this option like complete setup option. So in order to, here you can see welcome to PayPal Payments. This option will be visible, and here you need to activate a PayPal Payments. Okay, so in order to, you need to click on this activate PayPal Payments. So here you can select like virtual products, physical products, subscriptions and all as per your requirements. Okay, let me click on this continue option, and you can add like expanded checkout for more ways to pay, like a credit or debit cards, or else you can select this option. Okay, let me select this credit and debit card, click on this continue option, and here you need to connect your PayPal account. Okay, in order to connect your PayPal account, you need to have a PayPal account. Okay, now let me go to this new browser, type PayPal in the search bar, and you need to visit this website like paypal.com, like PayPal business. Select this option, you need to select this sign up option, click on this sign up option, and you need to create your PayPal account. You need to enter all the details like first name, last name, India, and you need to how to create password and click on agree and continue. After creating the PayPal account, here you can see I have logged into my PayPal account. After logging to your PayPal account, let me go to dashboard again. So here you can see connect to PayPal. Okay, I have opened my PayPal account in the same browser. Okay, so let me click on this connect to PayPal option. After connecting it, you need to log into your PayPal account, click on next option. Here you can see I have successfully connected my PayPal payment gateway. After connecting it, you have to click on the save option. Okay, so here you will get all these options. Okay, you can also enable this reCAPTCHA option for secure payments. If you select these payments methods, you can also read the documentation over here. And if I select this settings option, see here you can see this option will be enabled. If you want to enable like pay later, credit and debit cards and all these payment gateways, you can enable this. Okay, you can enable them as per your requirements, or else you can disable also. So after enabling this, you can click on the save option. Okay, now let's go back. Let me go back to settings, payment settings. Here you can see we have enabled this PayPal payment gateway and offline payments too. And I have enabled all these like Google Pay, all these options. So if you want to disable all these options, click on this manage, go to these payment methods, and here you can disable all these options if you don't require all these payment gateways. Okay, here I only want PayPal payment gateway to accept the payments. I don't want all these options. Let me disable all these options, and here pay later also, click on this save option. These are all the alternative payment methods we can accept through PayPal payments, PayPal account. Let's go back, and here you can see only these three options are enabled. Okay.
Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly.
Let me add this product to the cart. Let me add these specs. Let me click on this add to cart, view cart, and you can also add a coupon code as per your requirements. Here you can see I have enabled this PayPal account. You can directly pay with PayPal, okay, from the cart page only, or else you can go to the checkout page, and in the checkout page you can select like debit or credit cards, or you can pay through Google Pay or Apple Pay, or you can pay through PayPal. Okay, you can select a payment gateway as per your requirement, and you can make the payment. You can accept the terms and conditions, and you can pay the amount. And that's how you integrate PayPal payment gateways in your e-commerce website. Okay. Next, I will show you how to integrate Razorpay payment gateways. If you are from India, so I will show you how to integrate Razorpay payment gateways. Okay. So in order to integrate Razorpay payment gateways, again you need to install a plugin called Razorpay. Okay. Now let's go to this plugin section. Go to dashboard and select this plugins option. Go to this add plugin, and in the search bar type Razorpay. So this is a Razorpay for WooCommerce by Razorpay. You need to install this plugin. Click on install, click on activate. After activating it, now let's go to this WooCommerce option. Let's select this settings option. Let's select this payments, and here let's select this Razorpay, and here you need to click on this complete setup option in order to accept payment gateways through Razorpay, and here you need to enable this module. Okay, after enabling the module, here you can see this is a key ID, key secret. Okay, in order to integrate Razorpay payment gateways in our website, you have to create a Razorpay account. After creating the Razorpay account, after verification, you will get like key ID and key secret in Razorpay account. You need to add those key ID and key secret, and you need to click on this save changes option. Go to new browser and type Razorpay, and here you can see this is a razorpay.com. This is a website for Indian payment gateways. Okay, and if you type like payment gateways in India, you are having like PayU, PhonePay, Cash Free. Okay, these are all the payment options that are available in India for in order to integrate payment gateway in e-commerce website in India. Okay, and here you can see payment gateways for USA or like Stripe, PayPal, Square, Authorized Net, so Amazon Pay. These are the payment gateways that are available in the USA. And if you are from UK, so again they are having like Stripe, PayPal, Square, WorldPay and Go Cardless. So these are the payment gateways that are available. Okay, you can create payment gateways, like you can create accounts in those respective accounts, and you can integrate the payment gateway in your e-commerce website. Okay, now let's go to this payment gateway Razorpay account. If you're from India, you have to create an account. You have to click on the sign up option, and you have to give all the required details in order to activate the payment gateway. In order to create an account, you have to click on the sign up option. After clicking on sign up option, you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to enter your phone number, and you have to select your country, and you have to click on this continue option, or else you can log in through your Gmail ID also if you are logged in this browser. Okay, after creating the account, you will receive an OTP. So you need to enter the OTP and click on verify option. After verifying the OTP, you will be redirected to this page. You need to add your full name over here. Okay, after adding the full name, you have to click on this continue option. And here you need to add your contact details like mobile number, and you have to click on this continue option. After adding your contact details, you will receive an OTP. So you need to enter the OTP and click on this continue option. So after that, you need to click on this option. You need to select your website option, because we are accepting the payments on websites. So okay, in order to accept the payments on website, you need to select this website. If you are having Android app, you have to select this Android app also. Okay, as per now, we are integrating payment gateway, Razorpay payment gateway in only website. So you need to select this, tick mark this, checkbox this website option, and click on this continue option. And here you need to add your website address name. Okay, like .com or .in. Okay, after adding the website name, you have to click on this continue option. If you are having any social media accounts, so you can add your like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn and all. Okay, or else you can click on add later option, or else you can click on continue option. Okay, so here you need to give your basic business details like your name, your phone number, and where you are accepting the payments, and your social profile links. Okay, and your website name, and click on this continue option. After these are the basic details we have to give. So after that, if you click on this continue option, you have to select this your business type, like whether it is registered or unregistered. If it is registered, click on this registered option. So here you can see you can select your business type also. If it's registered, whether how it comes, and you have to select this. If it is registered, you have to select any one of these options, like whether it is property shop or partnership or LLP, as per your requirement. After selecting the required option, you have to click on this continue option. If it is registered business, you have to give your full name and click on this continue option. And here you need to enter your PAN details, and you have to select the date of incorporation, when your business has started, or else when you got the registration, okay, of your business. After entering the PAN details, your PAN number and your name will be visible over here. After that, you have to confirm this, like click on this yes confirm option. And next it will show you like you need to select your brand name, like your brand name, and you can enter your email, enter your another brand name also. Or else you can, and here you can select your brand name, like what is your brand name, it will be visible over here. Okay, you need to select your brand name and click on this continue option. And here you have to review the details what you have entered and click on this continue option. And here we are from India, so we need to enter our GST details. You need to enter your GST number. Okay, and also you need to upload your GST certificate, what you have got from the government. Okay, after uploading the document, you need to click on this continue option. In order to activate the payment gateway, you need to you need to create your GST and also a Udyam certificate. Okay, and after clicking on continue option, and now here you need to enter your MSME number, like Udyam certificate number, and also you need to upload the document also here. After that, after uploading it, you have to click on this continue option. And here you need to upload your shop establishment certificate also, like Udyam certificate. Okay, and here you need to upload your detail, or else your mobile postpaid bill or import export services certificate. Okay, you can upload those details, those file, and click on this continue option. So after uploading all the necessary documents, you have to click on this continue option. Okay, if you want to upload another document, you can click on this pencil icon and you can re-upload the other documents. Okay, after clicking on next option, you will be redirected to this page, information fetched from central KYC. And here if you want to edit any details, you can edit, or else you can click on this continue option. And next you need to upload your other details. You can upload from DigiLocker, or you can upload the document manually. After uploading the document, you have to click on this continue option. If you want to upload manually, you can upload your proof manually, like Aadhaar card or voter card or a passport. If you select Aadhaar card, you need to upload your front card, front side and the back side. After that, you have to click on this continue option, and you have to give your full name over here and click on this continue option. And after that, you need to confirm your category and subcategory. You need to select your business category and subcategory and click on this continue option. If it comes under services or e-commerce or food, okay, whatever category it comes, you need to select those category and click on this continue option. And here, if it is a registered business, you need to enter your address details like what you have provided in GST or Udyam certificate. You need to add all those details and click on this continue option. And here after click on this continue, so you will be redirected to this page and you need to add your bank details where you want to receive the payment details from your e-commerce website. Okay, so you need to give your bank account number and IFSC code, and after that you need to click on this continue option. So after giving the bank details, you can click on this continue option. You can, after giving the bank details, you need to upload your bank passbook PDF, or else you can create a like video of cancelled check, or else you can upload a letter from your bank manager. Okay, or else you can upload your bank book photo. After uploading the bank book photo, click on this continue option. After that, after adding all the required details, you need to submit your application. Click on the submit application option. So after submitting all the details, verification will take at least 1 week. Okay, 3 to 6 days. After activating your account, you will get like a API key and secret key. We have to integrate in our website over here. Okay, after your account has been activated, you will be redirected to this page and you have to click on this account settings option, accounts and settings, and here you can see like website and app settings. Here you will see an option called API keys. You need to select this API keys option, and here you will get like a key ID and key secret. Okay, or else if you want to regenerate, you can click on this regenerate option, and you can, let me click on this regenerate key, or else when the first time when you created an account for the first time after this activation, so here it will show option like generate API keys option. So you need to click on this API keys option. Here you can see I got my like API key and key secret. I have to copy this. You have to copy this API key, okay, and go to WooCommerce website, and you need to add key ID over here in the key ID section. And here you can see in the key ID section, you need to enter your key ID details. Let me enter this key ID, and you need to copy this key secret. You need to copy this both like API key and key secret. After copying in, you need to paste those key ID and key secret in the website, okay, in the settings option. Okay, you can also download the key ID and key secret details. Let me click on this download option, and it will be downloaded in Excel sheet. Okay, let me open the Excel sheet, and this is the Excel sheet. This is a key ID and key secret. Okay, you can use these details. Okay, after adding the key ID and key secret, let me scroll down, click on the save changes option, and here you can see Razorpay payment gateway has successfully activated. Let's click on this payments option, and here you can see Razorpay payment gateway is also activated. Let's go to this website. Let's go to our website, and here let's go to shop page, and let me add one product to the shop page. Let me add these sunglasses to the cart page and click on view cart. And here you can see if you want to add coupon code, you can also add coupon code sale 20 and click on this apply coupon. And here we got free shipping, so it is more than 500 rupees, so we got 2 for 39 rupees discount, and click on this proceed to checkout option. You need to add all the billing details. You can check the product details. So here you can select the Razorpay payment gateway. Okay, and you have to accept the terms and conditions, and you have to click on this place order option. After placing the order, here you can see you can pay the amount by using your credit or debit card, or you can pay the amount by using net banking, or you can pay through wallet, or you can pay through pay later. Okay, let me select this wallet option. Let me select this MobiKwik, and here let me enter the OTP. Click on continue, and here you can see the payment has been successfully done. After making the payment, you will get like this option: thanks for shopping with us. You will get our order number, when it is ordered, and your email ID, UPI cards, what are the products you have ordered. Let me scroll down. Here you will get your billing address and the shipping address. Okay,
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.